अरे यार, अरे पिंपल आ गए यार, तुम कब आओगे?
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sumit again, and we are going to be making a new desert today. And I'm not going to be bothered to fix my background because I'm trying to keep it candid.
चल झूठा.
So for today's recipe, we are going to be making a dessert. And for the dessert, and dessert, I mean, it's gonna be ice cream, it's gonna be a pear, and it's going to be a little bit of crisp, if you may. So we are going to be making a salted caramel ice cream with salted caramel sauce, and we will be making a glazed pear, and also we will be making a Parmesan Tuille. So it is a very basic, easy, simple recipe which you can make at home if you have an ice cream machine. So let's jump onto the recipe. So we are going to start off by caramelizing some sugar in a saucepan. The color of the caramelization should be amber. I hope you heard that, or else you would be in a deep trouble. You see what I did there? Anyway, this is the time you add butter to the saucepan and let it melt. Once the butter has melted, add the cream to your saucepan and let it sizzle. Just be careful at this point or else this would happen. Once your sauce starts looking caramelly, we would move on to making the custard. For the custard, we would take 2 yolks in a bowl, add sugar to it, and whisk the shit out of it until it starts looking pale white. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, start adding hot milk to the egg and sugar mixture, and then put it on the flame and cook it. It should reach the consistency where you could start making shapes on the back of your spoon. Here I am making a cute heart. In another pan, start braising your pears with some butter and some water. Par cook it and then add gin to your pan and set it on fire. This process is called flambeing. Please be careful at this point or else. Once you get a good golden brown color on your pears, keep it aside, and after this we are going to move on to making an ice cream. So ये जो चीज दिख रही है बाल्टी जैसी, इसमें तो भाई कभी मत धोना इनको. This is the canister, this is the bottom canister for ice cream making. So you put the top part, you put the mixture, and then it keeps on churning, and that's how you get your ice cream. In this canister there is water and some thickening agent which helps reduce the temperature of water even more, and in other words it's some Hogwarts shit. So I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm gonna put the top part. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put the top part. Finally लग गई है भाई आइसक्रीम मशीन. So now finally I have managed to put my ice cream machine together. काफी झंझट के बाद. So I'm gonna start this and see it keeps on rotating, and slowly I'm going to start adding my mixture. So all my mixture is in. Now it's gonna keep on churning. It will take like 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will get a solid good ice cream. तब तक मैं आइसक्रीम मशीन का भाई एक किस्सा बताता हूँ. बचपन में there is this website called Naptol or something like that. वहाँ पे ये आइसक्रीम मशीन they used to sell आइसक्रीम मशीन. तभी तो मैं बहुत फैसिनेट होता था कि भाई ये घर पे कैसे बन रहा है यार आइसक्रीम मशीन. एंड तभी if you say this looks like a small washing machine. So there was this one friend of mine. He got a new washing machine, and back in the day washing machine was a big deal. तो उसके घर पे वॉशिंग मशीन था, और मैं उसके घर पे गया. मैं बोला अरे ब्रो ये बड़ा मशीन ये क्या है ये, और उसने मुझे बोला कि वो भाई आइसक्रीम मशीन है. एंड आई वाज लाइक माइंड ब्लोन कि भाई इतना बड़ा आइसक्रीम मशीन. मेरा तो भाई ऐसा फुल सैल्यूट किया मैंने उसको भाई, सच में हम लोग हाथ बीत नहीं। फिर मैंने घर पे जाके मम्मी को बोला, मम्मी उसके पास है ना भाई आइसक्रीम मशीन है इतना बड़ा, और दो कंपार्टमेंट है आइसक्रीम मशीन में। I was like, मम्मी एंड एक्चुअली दैट टाइम मम्मी ऑल्सो बॉट इट किया भाई, हाँ सच में आइसक्रीम मशीन है। वो भाई जा रही है वो आंटी को, सारे आपने आइसक्रीम मशीन खरीदा, आपने बोला नहीं। तो एनीवे फिर दूसरे दिन मैं उसके घर पे होमवर्क करने गया था, और तभी मैंने देखा वो आइसक्रीम मशीन को चलते हुए, और भाई उसमें से कच्चे निकल रहे, टॉवेल निकल रहे। और मैंने बोला भाई ये क्या है, ये आइसक्रीम मशीन है। फिर उसकी मम्मी ने मुझे बताया कि भाई ये वॉशिंग मशीन है, आइसक्रीम मशीन नहीं है। ह्यूमैनिटी से भरोसा ही उड़ गया था। तो भाई इफ यू कैन सी द आइसक्रीम इज रेडी। Hello guys, finally it's time to taste and I'm pretty excited. मेरा डेजर्ट काफी पिघल रहा है, so it's not sucked.
इसे अपन ऐसे पिघलते नहीं है।
Let's see how it goes, okay? I can't even start to tell you. I can't even tell you how good this tastes. It's so good. I especially like the way salted caramel and that crispy parmesan taste. That is a bomb flavor combination. I think we should see that more often on desserts, to be honest. It should become a trend. So good. अरे पिघल गए हैं, मैं straw दे दो. So guys, I hope you like this recipe and I hope you enjoyed watching the whole video. And if you like this, please share, subscribe. और क्या होता है? Like, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.